master. Watch me move. Out of sight. Just right. With the dance master. I'm telling you. Get it, baby sister. Now move it over a little bit to the left. A little bit to the right there. Too hot to hold. With the dance master. I'm telling you, I'm telling you. Lay it in the groove and watch her move. Ow! Too hot to hold, too hot to hold. Have mercy. Look at my arm. Doing the drum. Put on that. That's me.